Hello everyone, my name is Julia and I'm Russian language instructor. One of the common concepts that my student attested on during the proficiency exam is the daily routine, and there are several purposes to assessing students' ability to recount the daily routine. Some of the main points that we look for is the mastery of conjugating verbs in past, present, and future forms. The student's ability to differentiate between recurring activity versus one which happened during one instance in the past becomes abundantly clear while reciting the daily routine. Generally, students will develop an essay of sorts that they memorize and recite to recount the daily routine when so prompted during the test. A helpful project for me to assess the capability of executing the daily routine is having students develop a basic storybook to recount a typical day in their life. Bookcreator.com is a very accessible and simple to manipulate tool that allows students to create a book with text and pictures included. Creators can upload their own pictures or use stock images provided through Book Creator's search feature. With all that said, I will now walk you through the typical day in the life that serves as a good basic example for what I expect my students to produce. So we'll start with the title, My Daily Routine, and I have both languages here. The top line would be target language, and obviously in parentheses is English. I wake up at 5:30 a.m. every morning, and here our main focus is verbs, я просыпаюсь. Then I brush my teeth, я чищу зубы, and shave my face, я брею лицо. Then I grab my lunch, беру свой обед, and I drive to work, я еду на работу, present tense. There I sit behind computer for several hours, сижу за компьютером. My coworkers and I usually have lunch around noon. When there is a nice weather, we sit outside. Обедаем около полудня, мы сидим на улице. After lunch, I return to work for a few hours. Я возвращаюсь на работу, present tense. By 5 p.m. every day, I'm back in the car and on my way home. Сажусь и еду домой. At home, I enjoy cooking dinner. Люблю готовить. And then I watch TV or read a book, читаю книгу. Then I pack my lunch for the next day, собираю обед. And I put on PJs, надеваю пижаму. And I try to be in bed by 10 p.m. every night so that I'm well rested. Ложусь спать, стараюсь отдохнуть.